Hello, students. This is Mr. Finnerty here, and I just want to say welcome back. I'm so excited to have the opportunity to work with you this year. And for the first assignment that I'm going to be really looking at, seeing if you can do well, is a skill that you did a little bit last year. And I just want to, bring it to your attention, remind you, because you're going to need it for this year, especially in this new chapter you're doing with ratios. So this lesson is about simplifying fractions. So as we look at some of the skills that you will need, steps for simplifying fractions, you're going to first think about what is the greatest common factor, the GCF, of the numerator and the denominator. So the GCF is the greatest number that divides evenly into two or more numbers. After we do that, we're going to divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF. So let's look at an example right now. So let's say we were going to simplify 12/18. We're going to find the GCF of 12 and 18. Now, there's several ways you could do that. There's the list method, there's a rainbow method, you can just try to guess that you get the right one. But if you take 12 and we list out all the factors, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Then we do 18, list all the factors, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. And then we're going to compare them. What's their common factor? Well, they both have a 1, obviously. That's the one that's given. They both have a 2. They both have a 3. And they have a 6. So which one is the largest? Obviously, 6. So we're going to divide 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So when we're simplifying 12/18, we're going to divide both those numerator and denominator by 6. And 12/18 turns to 2/3. All right, let's look at another one now, and I'm going to have you practice it. So here we have 4/16. So the goal is to simplify 4/16. And now when we say simplify, we want to find the lowest term. So we're going to find the GCF of both 4 and 16. And then we're going to divide the numerator and denominator by that GCF. So pause the video, see if you can find the GCF, and then come back. All right, welcome back, and let's see how you did. So here we have 4/16. Find the GCF of 4. Well, we see the factors are 1, 2, and 4. And then 16, we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the GCF, well, the common factors are 1, 2, and 4. So the GCF, the greatest common factor, is 4. So we're going to do 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 4/16 simplifies to 1/4. How many of you had that? If you did, awesome. Pat yourself on the back. All right, let's do one more together. And we're going to look at another fraction. Now, this one's a little bit bigger number. This is where, tends to get a little bit tricky because just guessing the GCF sometimes, well, smaller numbers are a little easy, but the larger the numbers are, then you might need to write them out. And this is where it gets a little more complicated. So we have 24/36. So we're going to find the GCF, and we're going to divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF. So pause it again and see if you can find the GCF and find the simplify 24/36. Okay, welcome back. So let's see how you did. So again, I listed out the factors of 24, and this time there's a whole bunch, which is why this gets a little tricky. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. And then we have for 36, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 24. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So the GCF is 12. Now, if you did not pick 12 and you simplified 24/36, but you didn't use the GCF of 12, you might have to do another turn of simplifying that fraction. But when we divide by 12, 24 divided by 12 is 2. 36 divided by 12 is 3. So 24/36 simplifies to 2/3. All right. So now that we practice simplifying a little bit together, I've left you a whole bunch of questions. I think there's 10. I want you to practice simplifying fractions. Okay. And don't forget to submit it. Please put your name on it, put the period that I have you, as I'm trying to learn all your names. And I'm excited to work with you. So good luck. And I look forward to seeing you in class this week. Bye.